Somewhere in the world, a game is about to begin. Millions are ready to watch. But before the first whistle, there's a race happening behind the scenes. A race to get the right content to the right broadcaster at the right time. And today, that process is largely manual, fragmented, and full of friction. The result? Lost revenues, missed opportunities, and unnecessary complexity. Introducing Tata Communications Media Content Exchange, a unified platform that automates booking and orchestration for live content distribution. On MCX, rights owners can create events, define feeds, and manage access, all from a single portal. For takers, the platform becomes a marketplace of live content. Takers log into their own portal and can browse all events they have rights to, by sport, rights owner, date, or category, instantly. And broadcasters can browse available events, subscribe instantly, and manage their feeds through a simple, intuitive interface. Powered by Tata Communications' global IP network, delivery is seamless, scalable, and fully automated. Tata Communications MCX offers automation plus self-service plus IP distribution, ensuring zero revenue loss, transparent billing, optimized cost, and effortless management. And broadcasters can ensure secure delivery with end-to-end encryption. This isn't just a platform, it transforms how live content is delivered. From manual workflows to intelligent orchestration. Discover the future of broadcasting with Tata Communications Media Content Exchange. Connect with us for a demo today.